Hello children, today I'm going to show you how to make a crazy animal book with these or with these. Okay, take some colored pens and color the animals. Look at my animals. Now cut the animals with some scissors. Okay, now look, stick the animals together. 1, 2, and 3. Cut here and here. And now guess my animal. I've got a monkey, zebra, tiger. Can you see? It's a monkey's head, a zebra's body, and tiger's legs. Can you try? Can you try and make a book of crazy animals? I hope so. Bye-bye.